How to merge two drives in Windows 11. Before we begin, it's crucial to backup any important data on both drives. Merging drives will erase all data on the second drive, so make sure to save your files to an external drive or cloud storage. To merge two drives, we will use the built-in disk management tool. First, right-click on the Start menu. Select Disk Management. In Disk Management, locate the second drive you want to merge. Right-click on its volume and select Delete Volume. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This will erase all data on the drive and convert it into unallocated space. Now right-click on the first drive and select Extend Volume. This will open the Extend Volume wizard. Follow the wizard's instructions. When prompted to select the amount of space to extend, choose the maximum available space, which will include the unallocated space from the second drive. Click Next and then finish to complete the process. The first drive will now include the space from the second drive. Once the process is complete, go back to File Explorer to verify that the drives have been successfully merged. You should see one drive with the combined space. And that's how you can merge two drives in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.